In the previous video, we used useEffect to fetch the data from the API, but we used promises to resolve the promise by using .then. There is another shortcut method to approach with asynchronous code, which is async await. So I'm going to use the async keyword so I can use the await expression. I have attached the basics of async await in the fundamentals sections. So it is going to return the promise. So I can apply await expression. Please resolve the promise and give me the result. It will also return the promise. So I can also resolve that. I can say that results. This one I can say response. And here I can say the results. You can choose any name. Await expression I can apply on the JSON. And you can also log the results. How can you handle the error? You can use the try catch to handle the errors gracefully. I can wrap my code inside the try catch. If something went wrong, we can log the error. Let me format my code. So we converted our code to async await. It should be response. Let's see what will happen. Something went wrong. Warning. Effect function must not return anything besides a function which is used for cleanup. It looks like you wrote useEffect or returned a promise. Instead, write the async function inside your effect and call it immediately. We gotta follow this practice. I'm gonna create a new fetch data, and then we will call this fetch data. So let's try to do that. I'm gonna copy this code. Can I use the refactor inner function? Let's see that get maybe fetch data. So that looks good, but we need this method inside the useEffect. So get rid of async from here. Now I applied async with fetch data, so I can use the await expression. And at the end, they said you have to call this method. What? Oops, they already did that. I don't need to use the await expression. Now it looks good. I got the results. And you can also see, oops, I did not use the set user, I think so. Yes, I did not call the set users. Here I'm gonna provide the results. Now you can see all the users. This is how you will use the async await expression. An effect function must not return anything besides a function which is used for cleanup. It looks like you wrote async useEffect. I already told you the reason why we are using the fetch data.